Hey my cookies! Today I'll be showing you how I make spaghetti and cheese or cheese spaghetti. It's easy. Let's cook. Alright, first things first, boil some water in a big pot and add some chicken bouillon powder to it. Stir it up. This is going to add some flavor to the spaghetti. Next, add in your spaghetti. I'm using thin spaghetti. This is a 1 pound. You can use the regular size if you'd like. It doesn't matter. We're gonna add that into the water. Now, if you see some little green specks floating around, it's not grass, I promise. It's from that chicken bouillon. All right, so cook that al dente according to package instructions. Just follow the directions. Drain the water off. Do not rinse it. Don't rinse it. Put it back into the pot, and then we're gonna add some butter. If you just said, "Dang, Coop, that's a lot of butter," why are you here? Why are you here? Mix it in. Now we're gonna pour in some evaporated milk. I dare you to get that sweetened condensed milk. Put it down, evaporate it. So this is gonna make it so creamy. Now I used 1 can at first and I was like, you know what? I wanted a little creamier, so I added a little more. Now, use up to 2 cans, okay? Just start off with 1 can. If you need to use more from another can, do that gradually, okay? It's up to you. Now look, folks wanna argue about cheese. Blot out, that's what I use. I go to the deli at the grocery store, right? And I'm like, hey, yo, give me the American cheese slices. And they're like, cool, bet. How much? A pound. Now, Coop, you really about to put a whole pound of cheese in this? You damn skippy, I'm about to put a whole pound of American sliced deli cheese in here. Why? Because it's amazing. It tastes so good. I don't rock with the Velveeta. If your mom on them and your auntie do, that's cool. I'm gonna eat it anyway. It's good. My auntie do it. I love it. But when I got grown and started, anyway, use the American cheese from the deli, the slices. Use half a pound. But if you bought that life, like I'm about that, okay, but it's up to you. Use a half or a whole pound, whatever. Just make sure you get that deli cheese because it's so good. Coop, that ain't even real cheese. I know it's processed. Again, why are you here? Why are you here? All right. I'm done. I'm going to be serious. I just miss clowning with my cookie so much. I love y'all. Anyway, continue to stir until the cheese melts. Keep that heat low because let me tell you something. If you burn this macaroni, it's spaghetti, but stay with me. If you burn this stuff, it starts sticking. It may look all right, but it's going to taste a hot mess. And you can't do anything to get that burnt flavor out. So just stir it until it melts, okay? Keep the heat low, and then it's gonna look like this. My God. Hey. Now we want to season it to taste. So I'm gonna add in a little bit of that onion powder and then some salt and white pepper to taste. We didn't want to do that earlier because the cheese is salty. So we need to taste it after the cheese has melted so we don't oversalt this thing. Then guess what, boo? We done. Pow, let me change the lighting right quick. Hold on. Yeah. There it is. Recipe link down there in the description box. Thank you for watching, my babies. I love you guys. Give me a thumbs up. I gotta eat. Until next time, be blessed.